10 o'clock tonight, Bria, there's a severe thunderstorm warning out for the extreme northwestern corner of Missouri. That would be Holt County and Atchison County, Missouri. Let me emphasize that. That's to the north, extreme northwestern corner of the state of Missouri. Still zipping off to the east fairly quickly. The number one thing we're concerned about, as we've been saying for the last day to day and a half, is going to be the gusty winds that are showing up. This is first alert radar. As you see here, the live sweep going around, still kind of updating what is going on about every minute or so. That is the live sweep that is continuing to look at all these storms that are pressing farther to the east as well. But we can't really close the door on severe weather. There's some smaller cells farther down to the south as well. This very close to the I-70 corridor. But this is the line out towards Salina. Until this thing passes us by, we cannot take severe weather off the table. Part of the reason why a good chunk of the region is now under that tornado watch going in effect until 4 o'clock. That doesn't mean the metro is underneath that until 4. It just means that all these storms have to cross the easternmost extent of this watch by 4 a.m. And look, it's a continuous line almost. It's very solid from Ottawa farther south into Oklahoma, where they continue to be rocked more. The tornado threat, as we've been saying as well, is farther down to the south, but still it's pretty active as you're looking at first alert radar on a regional scale, which once again is going to fill in, and that's what's going to head toward us, at least with the possibility of damaging winds more than anything else, but still can't rule out a spin-up tornado within this line as well. And that's part